Hey everybody, Little Miss Wartooth here. Today I am reviewing Dragon's Hide. It is from the Ars Draconis line. Ars Draconis is Latin and roughly translates into Art of the Dragon, which makes sense because all the scents in the line are dragon's blood based. Dragon's Hide is described as flame-kissed, warm, smooth, and highly protective. The notes are dragon's blood, leather, and a hint of smoke. Wet in the bottle, it doesn't smell like dragon's blood at all whatsoever, which is, surprising. It also doesn't really smell like leather or smoke. Maybe a little bit of the resin scent from dragon's blood, but not very like dragon's blood. Wet on the skin, the smoke note becomes more noticeable, which is awesome. But it does fade fairly quickly. It does stay smoky throughout the dry stage, but I put this on 10-15 minutes ago and it's already dried down and I can't really smell the smoke. But I'm also starting to get a cold and I have been, huffing this scent repeatedly for, almost 6 hours, which is usually the amount of time that I leave to, kind of give myself a real idea of what the scent does. This one's a bit of a morpher. Wet, smoky, dry, little bit of smoke, less smoke though, more resinous. The leather note is kind of coming out. What I really get from this is it is a little bit aftershavey, but if you've ever smelled like French milled soaps, that's pretty much what it smells like. I like that scent, but for people with like allergies or sensitivities, I know that that can be kind of unpleasant. A couple times it's had me on the edge of sneezing, and I'm not particularly inclined towards having that problem. It lasts about 6 hours, but it's not super strong throughout the whole time. When you first put it on, it is, the throw is pretty big. So it's not something that I would be super comfortable with, like putting on out in the outside world and then wearing, but maybe, putting it on, first start getting ready, and then once I'm done, in a couple hours, no, it doesn't take me that long to get ready. It'll have chilled out. The throw is a little bit bigger than what I prefer, but it's not offensive in any way. It's not weird. It smells like I said, it smells pretty much like a men's cologne. I would consider it clean. It does fall into the clean category, so this is a clean dragon. I don't get a lot of flame-kissed or warm, but there is a little bit of that, a little bit of warmth. So there's a little bit of spice too, so it's spicy men's cologne with a little bit of soap. If you're interested in that, you might want to pick up Dragon's Hide. So if you're more into butch scents, this is the scent for you. It is not particularly feminine, but it doesn't scream masculine. I hope you enjoyed this review and it maybe has inspired you to check out the Ars Draconis line, because I'm really starting to get the feel that there is something for everyone in it, and that dragon's blood is highly versatile and has a lot of background to play with. That's been cool. I've enjoyed doing these reviews and going on this scent journey and trying all of these out in a period of time that's been close enough to each other that I still remember what the previous one smells like. That's been cool, and I've enjoyed doing these. If you want to see more, if you like these, if you have tips or suggestions to how I could make these more enjoyable, please let me know in the comments down below. Alright, I hope that the rest of your day is at least tolerable and that sleep comes quickly to you. Alright, bye.